How to be interesting person. In this noisy world, it is more likely that you will be heard over the chaos if you are interesting. Additionally, being intriguing might assist you in achieving virtually any objective. 1. Engage in activity. Boring people are lazy. Lazy people put forward the bare minimum effort at work, watch TV when they get home, and then tuck in for the night. They basically repeat these actions the following day. Almost every day appears to be the same. I do a lot of things to ensure that I have plenty to say when someone asks what I'm up to. Be more engaged by being more active. 2. Have a passion for something. Be passionate about something if you want to be more interesting. Anything is possible. Find a goal for which you have a passion that is worth preserving. Be interested in your work, business, or other activities. People who are interesting care a lot about something. People with passion are immensely entertaining. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 3. Allow your goofiness to come through. Most likely, you're already acting in an odd way toward others, they're simply keeping it to themselves. So why not quit trying to appear as normal as possible and embrace your weirdness instead? After all, it's nice to be different. Own it. 4. Be present in the moment. Individuals who give others the impression that they are the only ones in the room and that there is nowhere else they would rather be. They affirm that they find me to be incredibly fascinating and likable. And they accomplish this by offering others the gift of their undivided attention while being totally present. 5. Have faith in your abilities. It's possible that you're insecure, which hurts your chances of coming across as interesting. Develop your confidence so you can approach individuals with a confident attitude. 6. Being yourself is the most crucial piece of advice when learning how to be more interesting. In the end, if you are not yourself, none of this will work. You are interesting because of the odd things you say or do. If you hide them, you start to seem boring and average. Be proud of who you are and express what makes you unique in the crowd. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.